about to start the Howe Sound Crest Trail. We just parked up 7:03 in the morning, Cypress Mountain. Let's hope that we get it to our spot by today. Let's fucking go. Yeah. Hi, I'm Jared.
And I'm Faris.
And this is us before the Howe Sound Crest Trail. Yeah. Right at the beginning. A treacherous journey it is. 12 hours on 2 different days, which is 24 hours of straight hiking.
I think we're
uphill, downhill, side of the cliff. Woo! Let's get the fucking
part. We're
journey
gonna be
started.
there by sunset time.
If y'all don't hear from us by Sunday night, then we're dead.
Mike will.
I pull up with a pink tongue. I put some diamonds on her toes. Let her know that I'm rich. We was used to pulling that money go for miles. I've been getting it since a toddler. I keep dollars on my head. Been a real one is my motto. Handle my problems, I ain't scared. I put powder on my collar, cause she proud of what I said. I'm a leader.
First stop, 9:30 in the morning. We're at St. Mark's Summit. And we're just chilling here. I'm eating my sandwich. And yeah. Beautiful.
Stove cooking crack like grits.
Not unnecessary. But here we come. We just came climbing uphill. Let's go.
I pull up with a stick. I pull up with a pink toe. Whipping, she sucking it deep. I put some diamonds on her toes. Let her hold on that I'm rich. We was used to pulling kick those. You can still call it a leak. You broken, can't be fixed. With the names and spent the nick. How you pull that don't make sense. I made a whole mile off an inch. I had 99 problems. I just scratch your heart through this. Got some amazing winnings. All on down my neck, cause a quarter brick. I've been getting it since a toddler. I keep dollars on my head. Been a real one is my motto. Handle my problems, I ain't scared. I put powder on my collar, cause she proud of what I said. I'm a leader, I got on follow, and my footsteps like the feds. I shoot like I'm a Montana, chop up bullets, make them shit. Black on black, new phantom in the backseat sipping red. Bitch, I'm from Atlanta with these hoes ready to like.
And we're like at the Lions. And we're gonna go somewhere and spend the night, and then we're gonna finish it tomorrow. It's my buddy here.
Hey, Jamie.
This is my stuff. Let's go.
Messy, but hit ain't no flex.
We're about to go.
Rose gold on a miss. Drop 210, car came with no 10. You don't gotta, you the.
How thick this fucking chunk of snow is right here. That's the fucking Lions right there. Right in front of me. I finally get to see it from this close up. We slept that one day like right over there or something. I don't even know. I can't even. And we climbed up there before, this whole thing, with all our stuff in the rain. But I'm right in front of the Lions. Let's keep it going.
Drink my spit, no cap. I've been getting it since a toddler. I keep dollars on my head. Been a real one is my motto. Handle my problems, I ain't scared. I put powder on my collar, cause she.
Alright, we're on the side of this cliff. Lions. Lions. Oh, that's Vancouver. Oh. Okay. We're getting somewhere. We are currently in the middle of the Lions right now. Look at that. Okay, I'm so far. We still have all this way to go. All the way to Porto Cove. Glacier Lake. This is the trail. And we have to go down there.
And right here.
Throw it. Holy shit. It smells like it's on fire. I can still hear it. fucking sliding down the snow here. I'm sliding this rock. Let's go all the way down. Ah, my hands. Come on, buddy. This is very brutal and rough. We're literally full on backcountry alpine rock scaling this shit. Look at this. That's the lions.
Hey guys, nothing to fear. Hey.
Holy shit, man. We got a long way to go. Let's go, boys. I think it's like called like David Peak or something. We've all the way there, all the way here, all the way. Let's go. This is it's pure middle of butt fuck nowhere. No trail, no such thing. Literally hard to even find markers, but we somehow made our way. Let's go. Finally here. Still got a while to go. It's been like 11 to 12 hours now. This is the most dangerous part where all the bears are. So we got to keep it pushing and we got to make it to our campsite. But let me just tell you this. The precision of nature has yet again fucking beat us. We are fucking beat. Look at my shoes. Oh, the right side tape came off.
Oh,
that's fucked.
that's all we got.
The left side tape is coming off.
Tomorrow.
I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna do. This is us after the hike. Not feeling that great.
Done. Done.
Brutal.
Hard.
Fucking brutal. With all of our stuff. Good morning. 7:30 in the morning. Let's get this day going. Figure some things out. Let the journey begin. Put the socks on my shoes. Still got no food, but we're gonna make it all the way. Let's go. Alright, so we just jumped in this glacier lake, crystal clear, blue water, extremely cold, in our underwears. But this is a great experience. Alright, this was our one and only stop.
Yo!
This guy's peeing over here. We had to cross over this thing with our, and I got my new contraption going on with the socks over and the tape. this nice group helped us out with. Middle of nowhere, and yeah. Check out this waterfall right here, going into this blue lake. Let's see if we can get a closer view. We're in the forest right now.
His music is saying you to the audience, but in a really beautiful way. It's like, you, I love you. Now let me play you some beautiful music, you know? So there's this feeling like they're gonna do whatever they want and assert their own will and not worry about how it's being understood or whatever. Yet the wonderful thing about that is that it speaks to people.
One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one. One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one.
We're about to go swimming in here. We're on the trail right now. You look really burnt. So then we're just gonna go.
This is not good. I just got
Second swim of the day. We swam at Brunswick Lake, and now we're swim whatever the hell this lake is called. At the end of Howe Crest Trail, almost. Still got a couple of kilometers. Faris is taking this as a souvenir, and I'm taking this. Just so y'all know. All the time we spent together. Wanna be my lover. We're like 10 hours in hiking right now, and we did 12 hours yesterday. Brutal. And we're actually almost done. Woo!
One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do.
Just finishing the Howe Crest Trail. Let's fucking go. We fucking pushed through it. Craziest shit ever. Woo! Society! Oh! Society! This is us at the end of the Howe Crest Trail. I'm
Crazy
Jared.
life experience. Highly recommend to everybody who wants to push themselves out of their adventures. It was great. We feel great. We're strong.
Let's fucking go. Let's go.
Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one.